Our products, whether in urban or rural areas, on the water or in the air, help our customers and partners achieve maximum performance. This is WICKERT's DNA. Our innovative design solutions help to shape the future. We invite you to experience the WICKERT difference. We are your partner in designing specific complex solutions, not just the press alone. WICKERT has over 100 years of process experience, giving us an edge over many manufacturers that offer only basic standalone machines. Structural components made of solid steel, not cast like many competitors, which can dramatically reduce the lifespan of the machine. Hydraulic tubes made of high-grade steel, not rubber, which will lead to degradation of hoses due to flex. Additionally, hard piping assists with precise machine movements, greater hydraulic response, and precise bumping control. We guarantee a 0.2 millimeter per meter max platen bend under full load, measured by a lead wire test in Landau, Germany on all new machines before shipment. WICKERT can achieve less than 0.75 degree Fahrenheit temperature difference across the entire heating platen. No one else besides WICKERT can do this. 6-zone temperature control in 9 fields, ensuring best possible regulation of outside edges, which is critical to offset escaping heat. Increased operational safety through effective filtration by way of 3 integral filters, each at 10 micron. The high pressure, return, and intake air filters. Our presses are manufactured to conform to EN 289 European Safety Code, which meets and often exceeds OSHA and other local US codes. WICKERT has both remote support via modem for immediate assistance, as well as stateside support based in Hebron, Kentucky, only 10 minutes from Cincinnati, Ohio. So contact us today and experience the WICKERT difference at WICKERT Hydraulic Presses, North America.